channel. Now I will be doing another lash video. I haven't done one on myself in a while, so I wanted to. It's so funny because I was this close into going to go pay for my lashes to get done, but I was just like no. So I don't know what I want to do. A cat eye today, so, and I really want it to be short in the front and longer as it goes out. Like I actually want that look. Hopefully I get it. But I have D curls 0.05 thickness. I have C curls 0.05 thickness, and I also have C curls 0.03 thickness. I feel like I'm going to put the 0.03 C curls here because these I have the shorter lengths here, so I'm probably gonna start from like I guess 14 because I do have 15D, but I feel like I want to actually put in a little bit shorter because I really want it to like show the difference, you know. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I was actually in the frame for this video, and I decided to do the first two fans that I did it in like slow motion, like normal speed, so you guys could see exactly what I did. But regardless, for the entire video I was actually in the frame because I know from my last lash videos that I did, like the other ones that I did, everybody have, like, you guys had one complaint, and it was like and it was the fact that I was not in the frame. So I tried my best to stay in the frame for most of this video, and I actually was. So I'm very proud of myself. Right here, I think it was because I don't know what happened, but it had nothing to do with the glue. I think it was just my eyes running. But if you guys are concerned, it had nothing to do with the glue. I've used the glue more than once. I will be linking the glue down in the description box along with the lashes. I don't remember if I told you guys that the length and the thickness and the curl that I used in this video, if I didn't say it in the first part of the video, which I think I did. But regardless, I am going to put it down below. But honestly, I was so happy that I was in the frame because I really wanted you guys to see what I'm doing, and I felt like it was fine. Like I felt like I did way better than my last lash videos, or like my previous lash videos, because child, half the time I was just like looking in my mirror and not in the camera. So I tried to use the camera. I felt like that. Oh yeah, I remember. That's why my eyes were red and like watery, because I was staring in the camera lens. I was using like the camera lens as my camera, and I think that was the reason why my eyes were running. But honestly guys, yeah, I love the way this came out. And I think I went to the mall the day after, and a girl saw me and she was just like, who did your lashes? And I said myself, and she was like, no. She was literally about to ask me like the Instagram girl, or you know, a page or the contact for the girl that did my lashes, and I was just like, it's me. She was like, you're lying, and I'm like, no, I'm not, it's me. And she really thought I was lying. I had to show her my page. I had to tell her, go on my YouTube channel and watch, because this came out cute. I really wanted it to be a little shorter in the like in the corners of my eyes, but I didn't get that because I was trying to get the cat eye, and I really wanted like the corner that's closer to my nose, the inner part. I wanted that part to be a little bit more shorter. But regardless, I felt like this came out cute, and I felt like this was one of my best lash videos I've done, just because I was up close and personal in the camera, and I showed you guys exactly what I did. But regardless, I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and I'll come back at the end of the video. But yeah, thank me later.
My face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple bouncers, go on pizza. It's a fruit.
So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will link everything down in the description box once again. But it's just like, do you see how pretty these were? Like, I did that. I did that. I'll never ever, like, every time I say I'm going to go to a lash tech like a professional, I just never end up going because it's just like, do I really want to pay like $130, almost $150 for something I could do for $50 myself? You know? And it's not for everybody. Like, if you want to go to the lash tech, I advise you to do that because, you know, to each his own. But for me, no. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.